Look at this plant. Sad, yellow, barely surviving. Now look at this one. Thick, green, loaded with tomatoes. Same soil, same water, same sunlight. The only difference, this gardener knew a secret that most people never figure out. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to hand that secret directly to you. Welcome back. If you've ever grown vegetables at home and felt like no matter what you do, your harvest is just disappointing, stay with me. Because today we are going deep into organic fertilizers, what they are, why they work better than anything in a bottle at the garden store, and exactly how to use them step by step to get the kind of harvest your neighbors will actually ask you about. The problem nobody talks about. Here's something that shocked me when I first learned it. Most gardeners are feeding their plants, but completely starving their soil. And that one mistake is the reason harvests stay small year after year. Think about it this way. Your soil is like a living, breathing ecosystem. Billions of tiny microorganisms live in it. Bacteria, fungi, earthworms. And their entire job is to break down nutrients and deliver them directly to your plant roots. When you pour synthetic chemical fertilizers into that soil, you are not helping that ecosystem. You are slowly killing it. Those chemicals give plants a short-term boost, like an energy drink, but long-term, they destroy the very biology that makes soil productive. Organic fertilizers work completely differently. Instead of bypassing your soil, they feed it, they rebuild it, they make it richer every single season. And once your soil is alive and healthy, your plants don't just grow, they explode. What exactly are organic fertilizers? Let's keep this simple. Organic fertilizers are materials that come from nature, from plants, animals, or minerals, that break down in your soil and release nutrients slowly over time. We're talking about things like compost, worm castings, bone meal, fish emulsion, and kelp. Now here's the part that surprises most people. Some of the most powerful organic fertilizers in the world are sitting in your kitchen trash right now. Banana peels, coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, vegetable scraps. You are literally throwing gold into the garbage every single day. And the best part, using organic fertilizers means no toxic runoff, no chemical buildup, and no worrying about burning your plants from over-application. They are safe, sustainable, and they get more effective every single year you use them. The top 5 organic fertilizers for home vegetable gardens. Let's get practical. Here are the 5 organic fertilizers every home gardener needs to know, what they do, and exactly when to use them. Number 1, compost. This is the king of all organic fertilizers. Compost is decomposed organic matter, kitchen scraps, yard waste, leaves, broken down into a dark, rich, crumbly material that does everything for your soil. It improves drainage, retains moisture, feeds microorganisms, and slowly releases a perfect balance of nutrients. Use it by mixing 2 to 3 inches into your garden bed at the start of every planting season. If you're not composting yet, start today. It is the single highest return habit in all of home gardening. Number 2, worm castings. If compost is the king, worm castings are the secret weapon. These are essentially worm manure, and they are extraordinarily rich in plant-available nutrients, beneficial bacteria, and natural growth hormones. Studies have shown that adding just 10 to 20% worm castings to your soil can increase plant growth significantly. Mix them into your soil before planting, or brew them into a liquid and water your plants with it once every 2 weeks during the growing season. Number 3, bone meal. Your vegetables, especially tomatoes, peppers, and root vegetables, are absolutely hungry for phosphorus. Phosphorus drives strong root development and fruit production. Bone meal is a slow-release powder made from ground animal bones, and it is one of the richest natural sources of phosphorus available. Work it into the soil at planting time, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per plant. Number 4, fish emulsion. Want fast results? Fish emulsion is your answer. This liquid fertilizer is made from processed fish and is incredibly high in nitrogen, which is the nutrient responsible for lush, green, vigorous, leafy growth. It absorbs quickly and gives your plants a noticeable boost within days. Dilute it in water according to the label directions and apply it every 2 to 3 weeks during peak growing season. Fair warning, it smells. But your plants will love you for it. Number 5. Kelp meal. This one is underrated and underused. Kelp is a type of seaweed, and kelp meal is packed with over 70 trace minerals, natural plant hormones, and compounds that help plants handle stress, drought, heat, disease. Think of it as a multivitamin for your garden. Use it as a soil amendment at planting or as a foliar spray, meaning you spray it directly on the leaves every 3 to 4 weeks through the season. The 3 biggest mistakes gardeners make with organic fertilizers. Here is where most people go wrong, and this is important. Mistake 1. Using only one fertilizer. Plants need a full spectrum of nutrients. No single fertilizer provides everything. The best results always come from combining 2 or 3 complementary sources. A great starter combination is compost plus worm castings plus fish emulsion that covers your bases for soil health, root development, and active growth all at once. Mistake 2. Applying at the wrong time. Organic fertilizers work best when applied before and during active growth, not after. If you wait until your plant looks stressed or yellow, you are already behind. Get into the habit of feeding your soil 2 weeks before planting season and then maintaining with liquid fertilizers every 2 to 3 weeks through summer. Mistake 3. Expecting overnight results. This is the biggest mindset shift you need to make. Organic fertilizers are not a quick fix. They are a long-term investment in your soil. The first season, you might notice modest improvements. By the second and third season, your soil will be so alive and rich that your harvests will genuinely shock you. Stick with it. The compound effect is real. Simple feeding schedule you can start today. You do not need to make this complicated. Here is a straightforward schedule that works for most home vegetable gardens in any U.S. climate zone. 2 weeks before planting, mix 3 inches of compost and a generous handful of bone meal into each garden bed. This sets your soil foundation. At planting time, add a small scoop of worm castings directly into each planting hole before you put your seedling in. Roots will hit that nutrition immediately. Starting 2 weeks after planting, apply diluted fish emulsion as a soil drench every 2 to 3 weeks through the growing season. Once a month through the season, spray diluted kelp meal on your plant leaves in the early morning. That is it. 4 steps, completely manageable. And if you follow that schedule consistently, you will have more vegetables than you know what to do with by harvest time.